Hello, today I have a neat video for all of you. During my winter break, my grandfather and I took the miniature T-34 85 out for a test drive in the snow. The tank's performance was mixed. The track stayed on and performed well, distributing the weight of the vehicle to the point that the tracks in the snow were not packed down, and the tracks also didn't get thrown and generally worked amazingly. However, the belt transmission was a different story. Although the transmission did somewhat turn the tank and drive it back and forth on flat ground, the belt system currently being used is just not adequate, as it's not providing the required amount of friction and is hard to operate. While my grandfather wants to pursue the belt system to an adequate upgrade, I want to pursue a system that uses some sort of clutch paired with a modified differential with brakes attached to each side in order to divert power to each track without the loss of friction in an easy to operate and maintain system. Another part of the project is the turret. I've started to work on the turret a lot. I've done the main part of the frame as well as the mantlet framework, and I'm starting on the bottom of the frame, and it's coming along pretty well. It's starting to look like a T-34 turret. On a different and final note, I have a Discord server listed in the description below. I want to use the server to build a community where we can all learn from each other about cool stuff, as well as just have a good time. The main basis of the server will be engineering, DIY, weapons technology, and gaming. I hope to see some of you on the Discord server, and thank you very much for watching.